Here's how you're going to read the Sarah J. Maas books before ACOTAR 6. Yes, you have to read all 16 of these books, not just Crescent City, and yes, you have time. I read all of these in like 4 months with a full-time job and 2 children. Am I saying that's normal? No, I'm saying it's doable. We've done this a few times, but my answer's a little bit different if you're just now starting and ACOTAR 6 is the next book to be released. Normally, I recommend starting with ACOTAR, but if you are just now reading all of these before ACOTAR 6, you're going to want ACOTAR fresher on your mind, so I recommend starting with Throne of Glass. We do not skip Throne of Glass. Throne of Glass is the best one. Not only is it my favorite series in this universe, it is my favorite series in the history of this realm. There are several different reading orders for Throne of Glass, and I have a whole video on that pinned to the top of my page. When to read Assassin's Blade, to tandem read or not to tandem read, blah, blah, blah. Go watch that. Pick the reading order that is best for you. Don't let people bully you into a reading order. Quickly, Throne of Glass is more fantasy than romantasy compared to the other 2 series, but there is still romance. It is still romantasy. There's just more of a plot going on here, and it's iconic. Then you're going to do ACOTAR. ACOTAR has the most romance out of all 3 of these series. In my opinion, it's the easiest to read and the easiest to get into, but I don't recommend starting with it if you're just doing this before ACOTAR 6 because it's important that the events of this book are very fresh on your brain. First book is A Court of Thorns and Roses. I'm so sorry, I'm like over here speaking in acronyms. Crescent City last. Silver Flames into Crescent City is actually an incredible transition. First book is House of Earth and Blood. Crescent City is the hardest to get into because it's a little bit of a culture shock. The other 2 series are set like in the past, and Crescent City is modern. So when you start House of Earth and Blood and they have cell phones, you're like, what is going on? Stick with it, it's worth it. If you make it to the end of House of Sky and Breath, you will understand why we make you read this series. It's also just really good, so you shouldn't skip it. Now, why do we make you read all of these books before ACOTAR? I can't really explain that fully without spoilers, but this is a multiverse. Okay? A multiverse. Anyways, there you go. Are these the best books you will ever read in your entire life? Yes, they are. Okay, love you, bye.